Bird dog. Begin on all fours. You want to start with a neutral spine position. Neck, shoulders, lower back, hips in a fairly straight line here. Imagine supporting the lower back by drawing the abdominals up underneath you. Maintain this position throughout the exercise. Imagine that you're balancing something very expensive and very breakable on your lower back. One arm and one leg, opposite arm and opposite leg, are going to slowly extend, maintaining this neutral spine position and maintaining balance. Alternate sides. We want to avoid any sagging of the lower back or any arching. Make sure you pause with the arm and leg out to ensure you have your balance.